Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. A special welcome back to Cook and Share. If you're like me, you love casseroles. Everybody loves casseroles, but I like mine fast and easy. So I did this chicken pasta casserole. You can do it the night before, stick it in the fridge, and then get it out and eat it if you're on the fly like everybody is. So let me show you how to do this and let's get started. Okay guys, we're going to kick things off with the most time-consuming thing of the whole dish is boiling up some noodles. I got some boiling water here. I'm going to add some salt just like the Mediterranean, where I'd like to be right now. And I'm going to boil this for about 12 minutes, stirring occasionally, and I got shelled noodles here. You can use any kind, but I just kind of like these because they look fancy-dancy. Okay, now our noodles are done after about 12 minutes. Just going to go ahead and drain this. Next up, I'm going to take my baking pan and put some olive oil in and just kind of brush it around the bottom and the sides just so nothing sticks. Alright, I'm going to add the noodles in. Some chicken, and this is leftover chicken that I've had from the night before. You can buy rotisserie, whatever you like. These are thighs. You can use breast, whatever you like. Half a teaspoon of minced garlic. Just keep the vampires away. And we'll give this a salt. Some pepper. A jar of marinara sauce. Now you can use spaghetti sauce. Some people have gone as far as using pizza. And I'm going to gently give this a mix. Now we're going to spread some of that wonderful ooey gooey mozzarella over the top. And you could use cheddar too, or you could use both, I suppose. Next up, I'm going to slip this into a 350 degree Fahrenheit 177 Celsius preheated oven for about, I'd say 15 to 20 minutes. After about 15 minutes, there you have it guys, our chicken with pasta casserole. Just look at this. Smells incredibly, looks great, the cheese is bubbling. You're gonna love it. Last but not least, to complete this, I'm gonna garnish it up with some basil. Now I'm using basil, you can use parsley or whatever garnish you like. And let's dig in and give this a try. Oh my goodness, this looks incredible. Just look at these. The cheese, the noodles, incredible. Guys, this is so good. The marinara sauce, like I said before, the combination of flavors, the cheese, the pasta, just incredible. You're gonna love this.
For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great stuff over there. Thanks for watching and subbing, and see you next time.